Hey guys, it's me again. Surprise! Surprise you haven't unsubscribed yet, but I'm back. Today I was really bored because it's a snow day. I'll show you. Look at that. Whoa. Anyway, I was like, I had my little bullet journal previous from the last video, if you know I like bullet journaling. And I was looking at my video ideas, and I was like, why not do a challenge? Make this snow day a little bit more spicy, I guess. I know that this challenge is a little old, but I wanted to do the one palette for your whole face challenge. I don't know if it was either use one palette for all of your eyes, like use every color, or if it was one palette for your entire face, but that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette today. I think that this could go well. It's got a couple brownish shades, some pink for the eyes, and some highlighter shades possibly. We will see how this goes. If you want to see more of cool videos, I guess, adequately cool videos, subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to do something, I guess. Okay, let's do this right now. Okay, so first up, what I would usually do anyway is prime. You can't prime with eyeshadow, so I'm just going to spray this on my face. I don't know how well this is going to go, so I'm not going to go full in depth with my moisturizer and all of that. Also, I have a pimple. Wait. Got my fan. First step is usually brows. And as you can see, there isn't really a super brow color, I guess. I think I'll mix Warm Taupe and Raw Sienna to attempt some brows. Okay, I'm gonna go in with an angled brush I got off Amazon. It's pretty legit. I'm going very lightly in the beginning. Whoa, we're going warm tone today. Oh god. Okay, this isn't going too bad actually. I'll just come back when they're filled in. I'm mostly going in with Warm Taupe because taupe is a more browish color and Raw Sienna is really warm. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised at how well that this color like matches my hair. This one looks better than this one. It just always will, always has been. Ah, that just made it worse. I'm gonna sharpen them up a little bit with some IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. You guys, the snow is really coming down right now. Like, the east is just getting hammered with storms of all kinds. Like, Mother Nature, are you good? But my brows, like, look so good, and I'm like, next step is eyeshadow. I'm gonna prime my eyes with this. It's a LA Girl. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with eyeshadow. I didn't set this just because, I don't know, that's a new thing going around. You don't set your eyelids. First, I'm gonna go in with Golden Ochre, I guess, because it's the lightest transition-y shade. Why not go in with the Anastasia brush as well? This is just to like set everything and make a nice transition shade. That blended really nice. That's cute or whatever. Burnt orange, just to add some definition. With my e.l.f. brush, you guys already know. Best ever. Add some warm tones, you already know. I'm doing like a simple-ish eye look today because we all know that this palette is great for the eyes, but I want to see if I can do a full face with this palette. I'm being really sloppy just because I don't feel like sitting here for an hour and blending, you know what I mean? Slapping it on, you know. I might do a half cut crease, I don't know. Such a good beauty guru. Holding my mirror in front of my camera. It's fine. It's fine. BRB. I'm gonna contemplate if I should do a cut crease or not. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna do a half cut crease, but like a subtle one. I just wiped this off with my hand. I'm gonna use the Anastasia brush again, and Tempera, which is the white shade in the top corner. It's like a satin-ish. I'm just gonna... But yeah, I'm just gonna do this instead of concealer, because when you do it with an eyeshadow, it's less intense and you don't have to get it completely twinning, I guess. It doesn't matter if they're cousins or sisters or twins, because it's just eyeshadow. Blending the two edges together. I just did some subtle glam. I'm gonna put on mascara now. You know, the good old Essence. I need a new one. This is drying out, but... Okay, y'alls. We have mascara on our eyelid, but that's not the point of this video. Okay, now on to the face, finally. I don't usually bronze, but since this is a challenge, I guess I should bronze / contour my face. For contour, I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber. Oh my god. Fingers crossed. It is for real winter wonderland outside. Like, it's so pretty outside. For contour, going in with Cypress Umber. Woohoo. I'm gonna go with this angled brush. I'm gonna tap just the slightest bit. Oh my god, there's so much pigment on it. Wow. Ooh, that was too much. Oh god. This brush is good because the angled, like the point side, you can fit right in your cheek and then go like this to blend it out. I'm sorry. Is this working right now? I'm sorry. Miss Jeffree Star sculpted cheekbones. Who is she? I think it's a little too gray, but like, we're gonna take what we can get. Because these are eyeshadows that blend amazing on the eye. You already know that they're gonna blend on the face. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this. Why is there pink on it? Okay, then I'll go in with this fan brush, this big old fan brush, and Raw Sienna. Okay. Oh god, it's definitely working. Oh god. I don't know if this is necessarily bronzing, but it's not contouring. We are definitely sculpted to the gods today. Oh my god. Okay, I added some Raw Sienna and burnt orange to my forehead to, you know, complete the bronzed effect, contoured. I'm so surprised at how well this is working. Now, here's the scary part. Blush. I don't know, because this palette is very pink based, but just all dark pink. I think I'm gonna dabble into, hold up, Bon Fresco and maybe some Venetian Red if I'm feeling spicy. I'm just gonna like pinch my brush to get into the eyeshadow pan. Bon Fresco is a really light color, so hopefully it won't do me too dirty. Oh no, that's making me look gray. Abort mission. Okay, I would fix my mistake, but I have to do the same thing to the other side to make it even. Need to add something. Actually I'll do some Love Letter. Oh god. Lord save us all. Get some on the nose. Okay, but this isn't like the worst ever, right? Right? Here's the part I'm most excited for, which is highlight, because if any of you have this palette, you know that this color most definitely is the most blinding, like inner corner, lid color you could ever ask for. I'm just gonna continue to blend this out a little bit. The contour is it's a little wild. Time for highlighter. I'm gonna take my favorite brush, which is the e.l.f. one, duh. And I'm gonna mix Vermeer and Primavera. Oh my god, it's so pretty, look at that. Ready? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do just Vermeer now. Could be better. It's just that these shadows are so like creamy to the touch. Rude. You don't know how well they're gonna react to a brush. I'm gonna apply some with my finger. There we go. There's the magic. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Give it to me. The nose. Get a cute little button nose. Come on, Anastasia. And my tiny elf brush. Hit the inner corner a little one time. Ain't nobody fooling me. This is the best ever. Just gonna pile that stuff on. Hit the brow bone too. Bathe in it. Just eat it. Yes, I love this. I'm gonna go in with some more blush. Diffuse it a little bit. Should have stopped while I was ahead, but what are you gonna do? Okay, this is looking like a mess. Okay, for lips, you already know I'm not gonna cheat. So I'm going to use this one. This seems like a nice lip brush. I'm gonna go for a pink lip today because the eyes are so. Dip my brush into Venetian red. And I already have lip balm on, so it should stick pretty well. Hello. Line the lips first. Going in for some more. And it's okay because this is my palette. I can do whatever I want. Don't call me unsanitary. Oh, do I? This is super cute actually. Okay guys, I guess this is the finished look. Well, I mean the highlighter is pretty good actually, but the blush could be better. The eyebrows, wow, like Anastasia did that. Their brow products are already good enough, but the fact that I can fill them with an eyeshadow is amazing. Except for mascara, this entire face was brought to you by the Modern Renaissance palette. I guess this trend was made to show how versatile eyeshadow palettes can be, and that is definitely true. I did this whole face with one eyeshadow palette. If you're ever in a pinch and you have this, just grab it, do your whole face. I didn't do foundation or concealer because I don't wear foundation or concealer, but hey, other than that, all your powder products got it good. Like this lip, hello, Berry Central. I look super cute. Oh yeah, my pimple is like worse, but it's fine. Why don't I pat a little bit of Primavera on top? What I'm here for. Come on, lip contour. This was really fun to make. I recommend everybody do this because it's really fun. I'm gonna go eat lunch now. I hope everybody enjoyed their snow day that's on the East Coast. Well, about the East Coast, because probably everybody got snow or some type of storm. I enjoyed my day off of school. I hope you did. Like, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go eat some ramen noodles. Yeah, I say ramen noodles. I don't say ramen because I don't know. Yeah. Subscribe!